click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to review Edelweiss Broking, a full service prominent stockbroker of the country. In this review, we will be talking about this company's background, pricing, brokerage, exposure, customer service, trading products, trading platforms, and based on that you can make a choice whether Edelweiss Broking is a good enough stockbroker for you or not. Let's get started. So Edelweiss Broking is a full service stockbroker. What exactly does that mean? Now, a full service stockbroker charges you relatively high brokerage charges, but at the same time provides you with all kinds of research reports and recommendations on a regular level. Be it fundamental or technical reports, you will have access to all of that. Now, it was established in the year 1995. However, it came into the mainstream equity retail stockbroking in the year 2002. Today, they've got a client base of 74,631 users. Now, this is the active client base, not the overall client base of Edelweiss, which is in the range of, let's say, around 8 to 9 lakh. But out of that, till May 2017, the active client base of Edelweiss stands at around 74,631. Now, it is definitely expensive being a full service stockbroker, but at the same time it offers multiple brokerage plans, and based on that you can make a choice which one suits you the best. If you talk about trading products, they've got actually a limited array. You can trade and invest across equity, derivatives, currency, mutual funds, gold, ETFs and IPOs. So from that particular perspective, yes, there are areas that can be worked upon in terms of adding up new products for the client's usage. Then if you talk about trading platforms, they've got presence in desktop-based solution, a browser-based application and a mobile app. We'll talk about all of that one by one, and we will start with the mobile application of Edelweiss Broking. For that, we need to check out Google Play Store. Now, the mobile app of Edelweiss is called Edelweiss Mobile Trader or EMT. It is a decently designed mobile application rated at 4.3 by around 4,510 users. Out of that, around 10% of them have rated this app negatively. The overall satisfaction score stands around 90%, which is definitely good as far as industry standards are concerned. The update frequency of this application is around 3 to 4 weeks. It's again a good range. If you look at the overall stockbroking space, generally stockbrokers with a high focus on technology update their app within the similar range. The app has been installed by 1 lakh to 5 lakh people from the day it was launched. Again, recent number from the industry point of view. There are a couple of concerns, not so much, but it really depends on the kind of configuration your smartphone has. So this particular application requires you to have a decent configuration in terms of performance speed or processor, or the operating system should be up to date. So from that particular areas, if you are not keeping your configuration consistently good, then you might see that the app gets crashed at times. So some sort of concerns are there from that area. The app has limited number of features, so usability issues are there as well. Other than that, the application is definitely a recommendable one, and we will certainly suggest you to use this application for your trading if you are a client of Edelweiss or you want to be one of them. Now let's talk about other trading platforms offered by Edelweiss Broking. For that, we need to check out ourdigitalblogger.com. So in terms of terminal-based solutions, Edelweiss Broking provides you Extreme Trader. Now this is an exe file you need to download and install onto your desktop and computer. Once you do that, put in your credential details and you can start your trading. This particular application provides you high performance, so speed is not a problem. You can customize and personalize a lot of features, be it alerts, notifications, shortcut keys. All of that helps you in making your judgments much quicker. Since it's a full service stockbroker, it provides you all kinds of research reports, recommendations and trading calls within the application. You don't need to go and check out your phone or SMS or for that. Everything will be available on a ready basis. Then there is the browser based solution called Extreme Traders Lounge. Now this particular application, you don't need to download or install anything. You just go to a specific browser, be it Chrome, Mozilla, Safari or Internet Explorer, put in your credentials and you can start trading directly from there. Now in this application, you will get a lot of technical and fundamental analysis features, be it heat maps, be it stock scanners, be it technical indicators or charting functionalities. You have access to all of that. And again, it will give you access to all kind of research reports, market news, to keep you updated on what's happening on a regular basis. So these are two desktop and browser based applications from Edelweiss. All of the applications from Edelweiss are decently designed, but there are a lot of areas that can be improved upon. Number of features is one aspect. So if you are looking for an exhaustive application, then probably the browser based and the mobile application are going to disappoint you to an extent, not exactly in a complete level, but to an extent you will be disappointed if you're coming from trading application which has been much more exhaustive in nature. Then these applications are going to take a lot of time as far as maturity is concerned. Other than that, you can certainly go ahead and check out these applications and start your trading with any of those. So this is about trading platforms. Now head back to the review. Next up is pricing. Now if you're looking to open an account with Edelweiss, you need to pay 1,000 rupees as account opening fees. The AMC or the annual maintenance charges are 500. First year is free, but from second year you are supposed to pay that amount. As far as brokerage is concerned, at onset you need to pay 0.45% for delivery. That basically means that if you trade for 1 lakh rupees, you need to shell out 450 rupees as brokerage, irrespective of the fact you make money or not. 450 rupees are going to be deducted from your overall payments. If you are going to talk about other brokerage plans from Edelweiss, we need to check out digitalblogger.com again. So when it comes to brokerage plans, what Edelweiss has done smartly is that they've bifurcated the trading behavior based on the risk appetite, based on the trading style. They have come up with few plans. Now let's say if you're an investor, now within investor options there are a couple of plans for you. Either you can go for equity delivery, no brokerage, or you can pay for other segments at a higher level. It really depends on your trading style. For example, if you see that in investor 1 you need to shell out 0.45% for equity delivery. In other segments, relatively you need to pay much higher brokerage charges. In investor 2 you're paying higher for equity delivery at 0.55%, while in other segments the brokerage is certainly lower than in investor 1. So you have to make a choice in what kind of segment you're looking to trade and invest in, and based on that you can pick out any of these two investor plans. Now there are 4 trader plans where you need to pay a subscription fees. Once you do that, your brokerage will be decided accordingly. So let's say if you go for the basic plan of 13,800, then your delivery is at 0.3 is your intraday. If you go for trader 2, where you need to pay 27,600, almost double. In that sense, your brokerage goes to 0.22 for delivery and 0.02 for intraday. So already that depends on the kind of trading capital you're working on. Do some maths, multiply these values, and based on that you can make a choice. They've got a plan up to 1.828 lakhs and your brokerage is as low as 0.1% for delivery. So do some maths, do some understanding, and based on that you can make a choice whether a specific plan of Edelweiss Broking suits you or not. Then there are transaction charges. Now in case of Edelweiss Broking, they are charging you a standard value. Now generally SEBI has set up a specific number for each segment that each stockbroker can charge for. However, there are a lot of stockbrokers who are charging much higher transaction charges, which is certainly not legal. So you must make sure you just not stop at comparing the brokerage charges or account opening fees. Make sure that you understand these values here, such as transaction charges or things like STT or stamp duty. All of that are going to be part of the overall payment, and you need to shell that out from your wallet. So you have to understand that all of these transaction charges, all of these payments are supposed to be completely verified and compared. Then there is exposure or leverage. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's short-term loan provided by your stockbroker. It is given at a specific rate of interest. In case of Edelweiss Broking, you can have a leverage of up to 20 times for intraday and 4 times for delivery. That would mean that if you have a trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 2 lakh rupees for intraday trades and 40,000 rupees for delivery trades. However, you have to make sure that you return that value in a stipulated time period. In other segments, you can see that 2 to 3 times exposure is provided by Edelweiss Broking on a regular level. Then if you talk about the positives and negatives of opening an account with Edelweiss Broking, so positives, definitely it's a trustable brand. It gives you huge brand equity. At the same time, if you look at the trading platforms, they are decently designed, developed, and consistently updated from the stockbroker. In terms of exposure, they give you up to 20 times, again a good number. So there are definitely some pros here, but at the same time some negatives too. So if you look at the pricing structure, it's kind of complicated, at the same time is very expensive in nature. Looking at discount brokers these days, certainly we cannot compare them with discount brokers, but at the same time they have to be flexible enough to make sure that all kinds of traders and investors are part of their overall package. So that is one concern. Account opening fees is 1,000 rupees, kind of expensive. Customer service, however, it's good, but it can certainly be made better. The executives can be given better training. At the same time, overall resolution period can also be improved. Other than that, it is a decently designed and decently set up stockbroker, and you can open an account with them. If you're looking to do that, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/advice open demat account. Put in your details there and we will set up a call back for you. However, if you're looking for a stockbroker that matches exactly with your requirements, what you're going to do is check out this other link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details there and we will be setting up a call back for you absolutely free. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, A Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye.